Embracing the chill, preparing your patio for winter. Crisp air, colorful leaves, winter is coming. As the days grow shorter and the nights get cooler, it's time to start thinking about how to prepare your patio for the colder months ahead. The vibrant colors of autumn are a reminder that winter is just around the corner, and with it comes the need to protect and preserve our outdoor spaces. While we love cozy nights inside, our patios need some love too. It's easy to forget about our outdoor spaces when we're snuggled up inside, but taking the time to winterize your patio can make a big difference. Imagine enjoying a warm cup of cocoa by the fire pit, wrapped in a blanket, even as the temperatures drop. With a little preparation, your patio can be a cozy retreat all winter long. Winterizing isn't just about aesthetics, it's about protecting your investment. Your patio furniture, decor, and even the structure itself can suffer damage from harsh winter weather if not properly cared for. By covering your furniture and storing delicate items, you can prevent rust, mold, and other damage that can be costly to repair. Taking care of your outdoor space now means more time enjoying it when spring arrives. When the snow melts and the flowers start to bloom, you'll be glad you took the time to prepare. A well-maintained patio can be a beautiful extension of your home, perfect for family gatherings, barbecues, and relaxing in the sun. Think of it like this. You wouldn't leave your house vulnerable to the elements, would you? Just as you take steps to winterize your home, your patio deserves the same attention. From sealing cracks to adding weather-resistant covers, these small actions can make a big difference in preserving the longevity and beauty of your outdoor space. Your patio deserves the same care. Regular maintenance, such as cleaning and treating surfaces, can prevent long-term damage and keep your patio looking its best. Don't wait until the first snowfall to start. Begin your preparations now to ensure everything is in top shape. By taking a few simple steps, you can ensure your outdoor oasis stays beautiful and inviting for years to come. From covering furniture to storing cushions and decor, these actions will protect your investment and keep your patio ready for use, no matter the season. So embrace the chill and start preparing your patio for winter today. Your future self will thank you when spring arrives, and your outdoor space is ready to enjoy once again. Winter woes, neglecting your outdoor haven. Imagine this. Spring arrives and you're excited to enjoy your patio. The sun is shining, the birds are singing, and you can almost taste the fresh lemonade you'll be sipping while lounging outside. But wait. As you step outside, you're greeted by cracked furniture, faded fabrics, and overgrown plants. The scene is far from the relaxing oasis you envisioned. This is the reality for many who skip winterizing. The cold, ice, and snow can wreak havoc on unprotected surfaces. Your once pristine patio now looks like a forgotten relic of the past. Wood furniture can crack, metal can rust, and fabrics can fade and tear. The elements are unforgiving, and without proper care, your outdoor space suffers. Even your beautiful plants are vulnerable to frostbite and damage. The vibrant greens and colorful blooms you once admired are now wilted and lifeless. Don't let winter win. A little effort now goes a long way. By taking the time to winterize your patio, you can protect your investment and ensure a welcoming space come spring. Start by cleaning your furniture and applying a protective sealant to wood surfaces. Store cushions and fabrics indoors to prevent fading and tearing. Trim back overgrown plants and cover them with frost cloth to shield them from the cold. Mulching garden beds can also help insulate roots and retain moisture. Consider setting up a patio heater to extend the usability of your outdoor space during the colder months. With a bit of preparation, you can enjoy your patio year-round. Imagine sipping a hot drink on your cozy, well-maintained patio, even in the heart of winter. It's possible with a little foresight and effort. When spring finally arrives, you'll be greeted by a vibrant, inviting space ready for relaxation and enjoyment. Your efforts will pay off, and your outdoor haven will be the perfect retreat. So take the time to care for your patio now, and you'll be rewarded with countless moments of joy and tranquility in the seasons to come. Patio Protection Plan. Essential winterizing tips. Let's transform your patio from winter's victim to a winter wonderland. First, give everything a good cleaning. Sweep away debris, scrub furniture, and clear out gutters. Next, protect your furniture. Bring cushions and pillows inside. Cover remaining furniture with waterproof covers. Don't forget to store or elevate potted plants to prevent freezing. Section 4. A green retreat. Safeguarding your plants. For all you plant lovers, this tip is key. As the seasons change, so do the needs of your beloved plants. Ensuring they are well protected during the colder months is essential for their survival and growth. Insulating potted plants is crucial. The cold can be harsh, and without proper insulation, the roots can freeze, causing irreversible damage. Wrap pots with burlap or bubble wrap for an extra layer of protection. This simple step can make a significant difference in maintaining the health of your plants. Remember to water them less frequently during winter. Overwatering can lead to root rot, especially when the soil takes longer to dry out in the cold. For more delicate plants, consider bringing them indoors. The warmth of your home can provide a safe haven from the freezing temperatures outside. A sunny window can become their winter home. Ensure they get enough light, as shorter days can limit their exposure to sunlight. With a little TLC, your plants will thrive again come spring. Regularly check for pests and diseases, and give them the care they need to flourish. Pruning dead or damaged leaves can also help in promoting new growth. As the weather warms up, gradually reintroduce your plants to the outdoors, allowing them to acclimate to the changing conditions. By following these steps, you'll ensure your garden remains a green retreat all year round. Happy gardening! Section 5. Winterizing success before and after. Take a look at this amazing transformation. It's truly inspiring. This patio went from drab to fab with just a day's work and some effort. Imagine enjoying a warm beverage here, even in the heart of winter, so cozy. Remember, winterizing your outdoor space is an investment in your home and your well-being. So grab your gloves, put on your favorite playlist, and let's get started today.